How to start live on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll guide you on how to go live on TikTok. So going live is a great way to engage with people in real time, collaborate with others, and receive gifts. To go live, there are a couple of requirements. That is, you need to have at least 1,000 followers and you should be 18 years old or older. Once you meet this criteria, you can start your live stream. And here's how you can do it. First of all, open your TikTok application and then tap on the plus icon button at the bottom to create a post. Then go to the bottom where it says post, click on template, and then you will see the option of live. Select it, and after selecting live, you can set up your stream, and at the top you can give your stream a name, add a topic, and set a live goal. There are also various video settings like flipping the camera and applying effects, and once you're ready, press on go live option and you can check the settings if you wish, but keeping it simple works well. And you will also see various options for inviting, host and guest, as well as additional features by clicking on the more button, and it's really that straightforward. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can go live on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.